Hello, this is Sarah at Trinity Nail Studio. Thanks so much for joining me. Since this is my first video, this may be your first visit to the channel, and I want to say welcome. If you're seeing this later on, welcome to you as well. I really appreciate you clicking on this video, and I'll get straight into it. Today I have an unboxing from Charme. I really enjoy ordering from them. They are a great company. I'm not affiliated with them at all, but I have ordered from them a few times, and I love their glitters and charms, and I especially like their mystery bags that they do. I got a Halloween one, and this is the Christmas one that I've gotten. And so I'll go ahead and open that up. And I did take a little peek and see what was inside, but then I packed it all back up so you can see how it comes. Like I said, I am not affiliated with Charme at all. I just wanted to share with you. This box, I believe, retails for $35 or $40. I'm not entirely sure, but the amount of stuff you get in it is worth so much more than that. So the first item I have looks like a silver foil. Everything is always packaged really nicely with stickers to keep it, see if I can get in frame here, like in the middle here, with stickers to keep everything secure and everything. And when you order multiple glitters, I'll show you these in a little bit, they come in bags like this to make sure that if there is any spillage, it stays contained, which I think is amazing. Anyway, back to the bag. This is Serendipity. Open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's a very pretty nude with like a golden, I don't know if it's got a hollow shimmer or there's a little red. I'll swatch that for you, and I will insert a clip of me swatching it in here somewhere. It's a good consistency gel. I only have one other of the Charm gels that I got in my last mystery bag, and they're a nice consistency. Not too thick, not too runny. All right, time for coat number 2. This is gorgeous. If you like nude colors but want something just with a little, you know, zip to it for the holidays, this would be perfect. I have some clients in mind already that really like nudes that I think would absolutely love this for the holidays. I mean, granted, we're not going to be going to a bunch of parties, but it's still super festive and pretty. All right, so here it is, finished. 2 coats. You could do 3 if you wanted it more opaque. There is a tiny little bit of transparency in it, if you can see, and you might not be able to see. Just the tiniest little bit. It is absolutely gorgeous. Next item is some snowflake glitter. That is so pretty. I'll open this up for you so you can see it. And I think I did order some other snowflake glitter of theirs as well, but that is really pretty. Some iridescent snowflakes and hexagons in there of different sizes. Awesome, awesome. Their red mirror chrome powder. I will also swatch this and show you how it works and performs. And I'll include that clip in here as well. And I've got 2 nails, one painted already, one polished red, one polished black. I just wanted to see what the difference would be. And I just used 2 coats of D&D Black Ocean, which is number 55, and Lava Red, which is number 68 on this one. So let's go ahead and start with the black. I'm just gonna use my finger because honestly, I feel like that's usually the best tool. I'm just gonna burnish that in with my finger. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I cannot wait to top coat that. All right, now I'm gonna try it over the red. I just wanna see what the difference is, if there is any. Oh, I think there is. Okay. All right, so with the red, you get a really true red. So it just depends on what effect you wanna go for. I'll go ahead and top coat those so you can see what they look like when they're finished. And here they are out of the lamp. I really wish that I had filmed top coating this one, because all of a sudden when I top coated it, that red really came through. It's still a different red than if you put it over a red polish, but they're both absolutely beautiful. It's like Christmas already. I love it. Collection of amazing looking foils. I've gotten some foils from them before. I don't use foils a ton, but I would like to use them more. So I have plenty to choose from. These are amazing. Lots of stars. Oh, so pretty. Gold, silver, and there's these kind of geometric ones. Oh, they're all very, very sparkly, very holiday, very like bling bling. This one is pretty. I'm not entirely sure what kind of, wait, what is on this one? Hang on a second, let me look. I can see something else going on with this one that I can't quite see in the package. Let me see. Shit. Oh no, I was just seeing from underneath. So there's several, looks like in each one there's several pieces of foil. In this one it looks like there's at least 5, 6. Holy cow, that's a good deal. I like how they're cut up and not in big rolls. It's just a little easier to work with. This is adorable. Some animal prints. And then some really cool rainbowy kind of stuff. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, some really, I didn't see these before. Some really cute nail stickers. Those are adorable. Next, oh, we have some more stickers. These are cute. I got some Halloween ones like this as well, which I didn't end up using because I was closed for a few weeks in October because we were exposed to COVID. All right. Oh, these are fun. I don't know. I hope you guys can see them cut out there. I think so. So these are great, like just easy, quick things to use in nail designs, whether you're at home or in a salon. They have a big impact without a ton of work or time, which is awesome. There's some more foils. Oops, this has a Merry Christmas. Oh, and a Happy New Year design. You don't see a lot of those. So I appreciate having that. Ooh, some pretty striping tape. I'll pull that out there for you. Look at that. Can't wait to use that. It keeps going. There's more, there's more. There's always some crystals. So they often include some crystals. Often, I say that like I've only ordered the bag twice, so I'm assuming that there's often crystals. So this is a nice mix of like holiday type color crystals, Swarovskis. They included some Halloween ones in my last bag. These are polymer clay or Fimo pieces. And these are fun. You can encapsulate. They're so tiny. These are cool. I also got some of these in my Halloween bag. These are like, it's like paper glitter, I think is what they call it. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to look. I'll put it on the screen. And so there's snowflakes, and I'm not entirely sure what else. I should put my glasses on. What in the world? Oh, so cute. I'm trying to figure out what the hell they are. Look, snowflakes, candy canes, all sorts of stuff. And then these are cool. Some really pretty stars. These would be great for Christmas or Hanukkah nails. Oh, it looks like, was I supposed to have that in there? Oh, there's different kinds too. There's some little tiny stars as well. Very, very cool. Awesome. Is there more in here still? Oh my God, one more thing. Oh, so we've got some holiday charms here. Snowman, snowflake. Obviously, why am I explaining to you what they are? You can see what they are. Oh, and this is nice because these are curved. Is this one too? Yes, they're all slightly curved, which makes them so much easier to get onto the nail bed. If you ever use charms that are flat on the back, they're a nightmare to get on. And then I also ordered some other stuff from them in addition to the bag. I got some charms for New Year's Eve nails, which I thought would be fun. And then I got this mix is the Santa Baby holiday mix. As I say, I know I didn't open it yet. Oh, it's got almost like a vintage, you know, mid-century kind of feel to it because of the shade of green and the pinks included. So I cannot wait to use these. I'm gonna do a separate video on how I'm gonna use some of these things. I have some ideas in mind already. Ooh. See, this is what I mean. The way they put it in the packaging, it keeps the stuff contained. So even if it does spill a little, it doesn't get all over everything in the box. These I think are really cool. I think these would look really cool on some black polish for New Year's nails. Or anything you want, honestly, but oh, so cool. I told you I ordered some snowflakes. Oh, this is called, oh, I don't know what that's called. I'll put the name of it in here. Don't use your nails as tools. Please do your nail tech a favor and don't use your nails as tools, okay? So these are just straight up snowflakes. There's no glitter mixed in with them, which I appreciate because sometimes you just want the snowflakes. Those are gorgeous. I bet those would be really pretty over that Charm gel. And then this is Jingle Bell Rock. These look like they're a mix of hex glitters and stars. Couple different sizes of stars and several different sizes of hex glitters. Ugh. Can you tell I'm a human squirrel? Like, yeah. Sparkly is my jam. Ugh. And I'm not even all that mad. And then these I got just because I thought they would be kind of fun to play around with. I wish they had silver ones. Maybe they do and I just missed them. These are the holographic glitter alphabet letters. Alphabet letters? Okay. A little redundant, but that's all right, Daily Charm. But I know that, you know, lettering, I've seen a lot of nail sets online that have letters on them. I'm sure it'll take me a bajillion years to find the letters I need. But that'd be a cool way to get, I thought that'd be a cool way to execute that trend. And also, although I'm thinking, I thought it would be quicker than hand drawing them or handwriting them, but maybe sorting through the letters for the one you need. Who knows how much time it'll save, but that's all right. It'll be sparkly. Well, that's my order from Daily Charm this time, including the holiday mystery bag. If you're into this kind of stuff, nail art and whatever, and really want a good value for your dollar, the mystery bags at Daily Charm are fantastic. I've gotten them twice. I've not been disappointed either time. So that's it for today. If you would like to see me use any of these things specifically in a design, please comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see me play around with first. I'd be happy to do that for you. If you want to see more videos from me, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. There are literally a million channels on YouTube, so I really appreciate you spending part of your day with me. Take care, be safe, wear a mask please, and I'll see you soon. Bye.